Hi everybody, this is Nacy from Scrapbooky Crafter and welcome to Creating Your War Binder or Bible Journal. Here I provided to you different tips and tricks on how you can beautify your war binder using tabs, doing mixed media, designing your dividers, designing your pages, and a lot more. If you were able to purchase your craft kit from the Crafters Marketplace. You can use all of the markers, the paints, the stamps, and as well as the war binder that incorporated to it. And if you wanted to get our PDF version of the guides and as well as the template that you can print for your war binder, for your journaling, please comment down below on this video and I can send over to you the link where you can register and get that free PDF. And I hope that you learned a lot on our class and as well as on these tips that I've provided to you. I will make sure that you will get updated on more videos and as well as virtual workshops or virtual classes and as well as face-to-face classes in the future. Thank you, God bless, and just comment anything that you wanted to see in the future. Bye! This is Scrapbooky Crafter and Naces TV.